Some of this is a comfort issue. So in the lab, if you were doing this, you might decide that it's more comfortable because you're right-handed to suction with this in your hand. You also might find that it's more comfortable with your left hand. So this, you're just gonna have to kind of play around with it and see where you're more comfortable. Keep in mind, you're gonna have to move from the bulb to your finger to hold it. So just keep that in mind with your comfort level. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm trying not to rest it out the bottom. Something you wanna watch out for pipettes, especially when you take the bulb off, it's real easy to hit the bottom, and sometimes you can hit it hard. So be aware of that. I'm gonna fill it up. See how I'm going past the line? So I didn't quite catch it that time, and that's okay. You put the bulb on, get it a little bit past. Don't let it go into the bulb. That's the one place you don't want it to go in the bulb. Well, it makes our bulbs degrade, but it also, if there was anything else in that bulb, it'll add it to the solution. You don't want to do that. So you can see it's not at the line yet. And this is very hard to do with gloves on. Again, it just takes practice. And I'm gonna wiggle my thumb just a little bit. See if I can get it. There we go. And I am holding this very tight with my thumb because it's hard to keep it there with a glove. I'm gonna transfer over to my graduate cylinder. Now look, you don't wanna transfer up here, right? Because it'll go places. So you just wanna have it in there a comfortable amount. If comfortable for you is a little further in, that's fine too. And I'm releasing and let it going in. So it's going into the graduated cylinder. I like to tap the edge of it. Look, I know that there's like a little tiny bit at the bottom. Don't let that worry you. Again, I tapped the little edge of it. Don't let it worry you. There's a little bit in here. This is made to deliver. So what comes out is what is the reading that matches up with the 10.00. Now we're gonna see how this compares with precision and accuracy with this reading. That was our first measurement. We're gonna pour this down the sink and we're gonna do it again. So what we wanna try to do is repeat the measurement 3 times. And when we do the data processing and you do percent error, you're gonna be able to see how well this replicated all 3 times. So I caught it, pretty close. I'm twisting. It's easier for me to twist the pipette than my finger with the gloves on. Some people find it easier to move their finger. Again, gotta play around with it. See what works for you. Gonna dump it out. 3rd run. I'm right-handed and I prefer to use my right thumb. All right. Get this measurement.